Hello and welcome to the SCU Wealth Builders 40K Challenge. Street Crews United Wealth Builder 40K Challenge, guys. I am super excited to be here introducing this great program to you. We've been working on this thing, getting this challenge together in 2018 to move into 2019. We are here. I'm super excited. This is going to be something that's going to change a lot of people's lives. Now, I just want to break this down to you because this is something that anyone can do. It doesn't matter, you know, if you're a mega recruiter, if you're not a recruiter, because it doesn't require a big recruiting team, right? It doesn't require a lot of people up under you to do this. It does not require a large investment. Right here you see within our important information, if you do not wish to invest $5, just a simple $5 toward your own success, or you do not wish to recruit 3 other friends or family members into this challenge, this is not the place for you. This is not where you want to be. So you can leave right now and thank you for your time. But for those of you that understand that all you have to do is a little bit of work to get a big reward, I welcome you here, guys. $5, 3 friends is going to get you to where we need to be. And we're going to do that within 12 simple steps. Okay? If you're ready to start cashing out daily, you're in the right place at the right time. You're about to learn how to turn $5 into over 40K over and over again. Imagine that. You're going to be making money in your sleep. Check out our super simple wealth building system and see how $5 and only 3 friends can change your life. Imagine that. You bring in 3 friends and your 3 friends share it with 3 other friends. We're helping people now, guys. This is super important. A lot of people get frustrated with lazy team builders. Well, with SCU Wealth Builders, this is not a matrix, so you don't have to worry about that. There is no spillover. That means that everybody you bring, you keep. You will not be held back because somebody's not positioned and you were only able to bring in 3. You could bring in as many as you want. We use 3 for illustration purposes, and the number 3 is going to get us to where we need to be in the $40,000 challenge. And you're going to see that as we go down here to our chart. Okay, you're going to be able to build a solid team. These are going to be people that you're going to be able to work with here in the Wealth Builder as well as in other programs, because you're going to help them to make money. So if you have another program or system that you would like to bring them into, they're already making money with you. They will love to join, guys. SCU Wealth Builder is a powerful team building system that can help you reach your financial goals by simply helping others to reach theirs. Everybody wins in this, guy, so you really must understand what we're doing. Now, this is just not a team build where there's nothing involved and we're just pushing money around. Absolutely not. We have great products in here, guys. The SCU Wealth Builder helps you to build a powerful ebook marketing business during our challenge. Each level is actually a purchase and download center for you to build your mobile ebook and marketing distribution company, guys. Imagine that. Now, with the ebooks that we're using, you have redistribution rights and rebranding rights. That means that with the majority of the books, you're going to be able to rebrand them and put your name directly on them as the owner of the books. This is hot, man. This has never been done before. Now, hey, we got a special bonus for you. For the people that come in right now, we know that this isn't the only business that you're running, which is okay. We're glad. We're glad to see that you're, multitasking. You have multiple streams of income. So what we're going to do as a special bonus, we're going to give you a 12-level automated advertising center. What that means is this. You're going to be able, when you first come in, to take one of your links from your other business and plug it directly into your back office. Oh yeah, I'm going to say it again. You're going to be able to plug one of your business opportunities directly into your back office. And as you elevate in the system, for each one of the 12 steps back there, you're going to be able to plug another business in, guys. So that means that you have an advertising center that's making everybody that join you in this challenge, they're going to be forced to see your great business by default. That means that it's going to be dead in their face and they cannot advance without looking at your opportunity and maybe taking advantage of it. So you have a great bonus right here, guys. This is super exciting. Let's look at how the money is made. This is what you're here for. You want to see how you're going to get to that hot 40K, right? In 12 steps. I'm going to walk you through this. We have 2 phases. Like I say, we're doing 12 steps, and the steps are broken down into 2 phases. Phase 1 runs 1 through 6. Phase 2, of course, runs the remaining 7 through 12. Now, follow me going from the left to the right. Up here at the top, you see the different amounts, right? These are your different levels that you will be elevating up into. Right here, you see where you have 3 referrals, right? That goes down up under each one of the levels, right? The blank spaces are not needed. This is just where they go down in these levels. And as I go through this, you're going to understand it better, right? Right here, we have your referral income. This is how much you make after your 3 people have come in. This is what you're going to upgrade with, and this is your profit from that level. So follow me as I walk you through these 12 steps. You're going to see how simple this is, and you're going to want to get right in here with your $5 and put this out to 3 of your friends. Okay, let's get started. In phase 1, level 1, okay, you're going to join yourself for $5. That's first off. Then you're going to bring in 3 people, 3 of your friends or family members. It doesn't matter, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, wherever you can grab 3 people that want to make this money, bring them in. Now, from those 3 people, based upon that $5, that multiplication gives us the $15 you see over here under referral income, right? From that $15, you're going to go into level number 2 for $10, right? Everybody follow me? You're going in for $10, leaving you $5. So you already have your investment right back, right there on level 1. So now you're playing with the casino's money. You're in the game absolutely free. Not only that, you're able on this level right here to plug in one of your advertisements, and you're going to get great ebooks, right? You got the system already set up. That is what you're getting on this $5 level. You're going to get the system. The system itself is going to be yours for $5. That's what you got for that amazing $5 that you spend, and now your 3 people are getting the same thing. Now, moving forward, remember, your 3 people paid you the 5, gave you 15. You went back in for 10 in level 2, left you 5. Level 2, if your team members duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key to success, duplicating your efforts, paying you at what? The $10, right? Just like you did, paying you the $10. That multiplication gives us the $30 on level number 2. You're going to earn $30 on level number 2. You're going to go into level number 3 for $20, leaving you $10. You just profited again. Now, the numbers may look small over here on your profit, but watch how they explode as we go forward. Now, in level number 3, same thing happened. Duplication is the key. Your 3 do just what you did with the $20, giving it to you from their profits, right? That's going to give you $60. From the $60, you're going to go into level 4 for the 40, leaving yourself 20. Moving into the next level, which is 4, duplication, once again being the key. Your 3 people are going to pay you at the $40 level. That's going to give you 120. From the 120, you're going to subtract 80, which takes you into your next level, which is 5, leaving you $40. Look, it's not looking bad over there for a $5 investment, right? Of course not. Moving into level 5, same thing is going to happen, because what is the key? Duplication, right? Duplication is the key. With them paying you at the $80 each, that's going to give you $240. From the $240, you're going to go into your next level, which is 6, for $160. Once again, with great spillover money. We believe in spillover money over here, guys. We don't worry about spillover people. We want you to have plenty spillover money. So once again, there's $80. Moving into your last level for this phase 1, which is level 6, your 3 people duplicate your efforts, paying you at $160 each. That multiplication time 3 gives us $480. That's awesome, right? From the $480, you're going to go into your next phase for $320. This phase right here, leaving you another $160. You total $315 in phase 1. Very simple, right? Let's move into phase 2 and let's really get into the money. Remember I told you get exciting here? This is where the excitement kicks in. Now, level 7, duplicating once again, your 3 people coming in at that $320 mark. That multiplication gives us $960. From the $960, you're going to upgrade with $640, opening up more ebooks, right? More packages, more education, right? Being able to plug in another business of your own so people can see it, right? With that $640, leaving you $320. Guys, this is amazing, right? Level number 8. Moving forward with what being the key? Duplication. When your 3 duplicate your efforts at that $640 mark, that's going to give you $1,920. From the $1,920, you're going to take $1,280 and go into your next level, which is level number 9. That's going to leave you guys, what? Oh, that is amazing. $640 more dollars. Going into level number 9, duplication being the key with your 3, they're going to duplicate your efforts at $1,280. That's going to give you $3,840. Sorry about that. $3,840. Once you subtract that $2,560 that's going into your next level, you're going to have $1,280 left. Moving into your next level, guys, $2,560 coming from 3 of your great team members. Now remember, we're using 3 just as a way to show you. You don't have to stop at 3. You could bring in 3, 6, 9, 300. It doesn't matter. But based upon the 3 for illustration purposes only, when they duplicate your efforts at that 2560, that's going to give you 7,680. From the 7,680, what do you want to do? You want to go into your next level for 5,120, leaving yourself 2,560 to go shopping with, go hang out with your friends with. You're looking real good. Moving into our next level, which is level 11, right? Level 11 is looking good at $5,120 from each of your people. That multiplication gives us 15,360. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. 15,360 from that. Look at there, 10,240 going into your next level. That ain't bad, right? Leaving you 5,120. This is all from a $5 investment. Let's finish out this level. Moving to level 12, you about to close this thing out. This is where it gets crazier, guys. Closing it out. Okay, so level 12, your 3 duplicate your efforts at 10,240, right? From the 10,240, that's going to give you 30,720. Now, you have nothing else to invest because you've covered all 12 steps. So that means all of that 30,720 stays in your pocket. That is smooth, right? Now, if you add up all of these levels here, all of this spillover money in phase number 2, that's 40,475, right? Or rather 40,160. When you add up this level with this is your spillover now that you obtained in phase 1. When you add phase 1 spillover with phase 2 spillover, you come out with $40,475. How about that, guys? Super simple. Let me show you how to do this, right? There's nothing to it but to do it, right? The only thing you do is a few steps to get started. You're going to register using your sponsor's referral link because everybody has their own back office. We're not running this thing off a spreadsheet. You have a fully automated back office. You're going to set up your SCU Wealth Builder back office. You're going to upgrade into your level 1 for $5. You're going to share this opportunity with 3 friends or family members. You're going to collect $15, therefore upgrading into level number 2 for $10, banking the 5. Your initial investment is back. You got your money back. Now you're going to continue this progression throughout the remaining levels of SCU Wealth Builder for the 40K challenge. Super simple, man. This is one of the hottest programs, man, and it's simple. You know, that's the great part about it. We're not doing any hard work. We're sharing it with 3 people. We're working with our team. We're getting our 3 people up and going, helping them to get their 3 people up and going. Only $5 to get started, guys. So once again, I want to welcome you to the SCU Wealth Builders 40K Challenge. See you at the top. Take care.